The small society of Rameshwaram was very rigid in terms of segregation of different social groups. अलग अलग तबके या समूह के लोग अपने स्टैंडर्ड, रिलीजन, कास्ट को लेकर काफ़ी सीरियस थे, काफ़ी रिजिड थे, काफ़ी कट्टर थे. हाउ एवर, फिर भी माई साइंस टीचर शिव सुब्रमण्य अय्यर, दो एन ऑर्थोडॉक्स ब्राह्मीण, भले ही वो एक कट्टर ब्राह्मण हुआ करते थे, विद अ वेरी कंजर्वेटिव वाइफ, बहुत ही कट्टर या चिड़चिड़ी कह सकते हैं बीवी भी उनकी थी, was something of a rebel. She was something of a rebel. Rebel means क्या होता है? डाकू किस्म का आदमी, ठीक है. He did his best to break social barriers so that people from varying backgrounds could mingle easily. He did his best, you know, to make patch up with people, to make them easily mingled with each other. Though they belong to varying, backgrounds, different backgrounds. However, he tries his best to mingle everyone easily together so that they would be, able to discriminate, undiscriminate the people with each other. For example, there are so many people in the society, they discriminate people. They're proud of themselves, they're proud of their caste, they're proud of their standard. It is not favorable, it is not a good thing in human, activity or characteristics. इस तरह के जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं वो बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं होते. आगे चलते हैं. He used to spend, okay, जो शिव सुब्रमण्य अय्यर, साइंस टीचर ऑफ एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम, he used to spend time, hours with me. वो मेरे साथ समय निकाला करते थे, बैठा करते थे. He sat with me, he talked with me, he had fun with me, and would say, Kalam, I want you to develop so that you are on par with the highly educated people of the big cities. His science teacher obliged him, kept obliging, motivating, inspiring, saying that he wants APJ Abdul Kalam to be highly educated people just like in the big cities. Okay? Ninth paragraph, one day. एक दिन की बात. What happens one day? He invited me to his home for a meal. उन्होंने मुझे invite किया, निमंत्रण दिया, his home, अपने घर पर, for a meal, खाना खाने के लिए. I mean, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was not doctor at that moment when he described this autobiography, but we can say Abdul Kalam was invited to the home of, Shiva Subramania Iyer, his science teacher, for having meal. His wife was horrified at the idea. Science teacher, Shiva Subramania Iyer's wife, doesn't agree with that idea. She was horrified. She was irritated that a Muslim boy being invited to dine in her ritually pure kitchen. She could not stomach it. She could not bear it because she was also a conservative and dogmatic Orthodox Brahmin. Okay, she refused to invite a Muslim boy in her ritually pure kitchen. Ritually pure means kept protected from all outside influences for the observances of religion. Observances. Paying attention to the observations, criteria, rituals of religion, it was not allowed for a Muslim boy to be invited in a ritually pure kitchen of a Brahmin. So she refused to do so. वो ऐसा करने से मतलब परेशान होती है. She doesn't want to invite him. She refused. Actually, वो नहीं चाहती थी कि एक मुस्लिम परिवार का लड़का उसके रिचुअली रस्मों रिवाज को देखते हुए, जो धर्मों के जो रिवाज होते हैं, रीति रिवाज होते हैं, जो बंधन होते हैं, बाउंड्स होते हैं, उन चीज़ों को देखते हुए उसने इस चीज़ पर एग्रीमेंट नहीं जताया। अब शिव सुब्रमण्या Iyer was not P for did he get angry with his wife? Shiv Subramania Iyer, science teacher of APJ Abdul Kalam, got angry with his wife because his wife refused to invite a Muslim boy. Okay. Now he got angry that you should not keep such mentality for a Muslim boy. Okay, ritually, now, but instead stopped me with वो क्या, his own hands. Shiv Subramania Iyer, his science teacher, stopped the food at the moment when APJ Abdul Kalam went in the kitchen with his own hands. उन्होंने अपनी हाथों से एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम को खाना खिलाया and sat down beside me to eat his meal. And he sat alongside me, beside me, to eat his meal along with me in his ritually pure kitchen. And his wife doesn't accept, doesn't agree with the arrangement or mentality of Shiva Subramania Iyer. His wife watched us from behind my kitchen. उनकी जो बीवी थी, she was looking me, she was watching me behind the door. किचन के दरवाजे के पीछे खड़ी होकर वो ध्यान से देख रही थी कि how a Muslim boy is eating food in his ritually kitchen. Now, I wondered whether she had observed any difference in the way I ate rice. I observed, as APJ Abdul Kalam thought, that she would be observing the difference in the way I ate rice, in the way of my eating rice. जिस तरह से, as I was eating rice, maybe she would be observing a different. हो सकता है कुछ अलग रहा हो मेरे खाने का तरीका. Drank water or cleaned the floor after the meal, या फिर वो मेरे पीने के तरीके को ऑब्जर्व कर रही थी, और cleaning the floor after the meal, or I was cleaning the floor after meal, that how do I clean the floor after eating the meal. Maybe she would be observing such things when I was leaving his house. जब I left, when I left, जब मैं वहां से निकला, Shiv Subramania Iyer invited me to join him for dinner again. उन्होंने मुझे फिर invite किया. He re-invited me for dinner again the next weekend, means on Saturday. Observing my hesitation, he told me not to get upset. Observing my hesitation, he could observe my hesitation because I was not in a comfortable position, a comfortable way to have a dinner in his ritually pure kitchen. Because his wife refused. His wife was conservative. His wife doesn't like the way I ate in her kitchen. However, my science teacher re-invited me to join dinner again at the weekend. When saying once you decide to change the system, his science teacher advises, when you decide, once you decide to change the system, such problems have to be confronted. confronted to face up. These types of obstacles would come in the way when you once decide to change the system. System has been adopted by all the people of society, and they are addicted to do an easy task according to system. So it is, a different time, something, you can say, uncomfortable moment to adopt a new system, whether it is better or bad. खराब हो चाहे अच्छा हो, सिस्टम होता है। तो सिस्टम को हम एक बार अडॉप्ट करते हैं और कुछ सालों तक उस पर प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, देन वी बिकम अडाप्ट एबल, हम उस चीज को करने के योग्य होते हैं, एंड ग्रेजुअली वी बिकम अडेप्ट, हम अडेप्ट हो जाते हैं, एक्सपर्ट हो जाते हैं उस चीज को करते करते। बट when we have to adopt a new system, we feel so many obstacles and upcoming problems to choose a new one, to adopt a new one. भले ही पहले वाला खराब था, अगला अच्छा है, फिर भी हम खराब करते करते आदती हो गए हैं, एडिक्टेड हो गए हैं। तो दूसरे को जो कि अच्छा वाला है उसको अडॉप्ट करने में थोड़ी सी डिफिकल्टीज आ सकती हैं। When I visited his house the next week, जब मैंने अगले सप्ताह में अपने साइंस टीचर के घर एंट्री लिया, Iyer's wife took me inside her kitchen. उनकी बीबी, मेरे साइंस टीचर सुब्रमण्या अय्यर की बीबी मुझे अपने किचन में ले जाती हैं, and served me with his own hands. Wow! And served me with her own hand. और उन्होंने अपने हाथ से खाना मुझे निकाल के दिया। आगे in 10th paragraph, then the Second World War was over. Second World War, I mean the moment when Second World War was over, the India's freedom was imminent. India's freedom was boundless, no breaker, breakerless, imminent. Indians will build their own India. तब ये पता चला कि भारतीय अपना खुद का घर बना सकते हैं। दे आर नो मोर स्लेव, अब वो और अधिक गुलाम नहीं है। डिक्लेयर्ड गांधी जी, ऐसा किसने डिक्लेयर किया? गांधी जी ने इस तरह की घोषणा करी। द होल कंट्री वॉज फिल्ड विद एन अनप्रेसिडेंटेड ऑप्टिमिज्म, आशा, ऑप्टिमिस्टिक पीपल, आशावादी लोग, सारे लोग कभी न खत्म होने वाली आशा में डूब गए या आशा से भर गए। I asked my father for permission to leave Rameswaram and study at the district headquarters in Ramnathpuram. मैंने अपने पिताजी से परमिशन ली। I begged for permission that I want to continue my studies in Ramnathpuram, headquarter of district. अब आगे क्या होता है देखते हैं। आप देख सकते हैं कैसे सेकेंड मीटिंग में जो उनकी बीवी हैं इनको सर्व कर रही हैं, ये हैं, और ये अब्दुल कलाम है, टोपी लगाए हुए, हमेशा टोपी लगाते हैं, और ये जो है साइंस टीचर हैं सुब्रमण्या अय्यर। ठीक है, अब ये किचन में बैठकर खाना खा रहे हैं, ऐसा आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं। आगे क्या होता है? He told me as if thinking aloud. उन्होंने मुझसे कहा, किन्होंने? सुब्रमण्या अय्यर, साइंस टीचर ऑफ अब्दुल कलाम। Abul, I know you have to go away to grow. Now he refers to Abdul Kalam's father. Okay, sorry, Abdul Kalam father, Abdul Kalam के पिताजी, Abdul Kalam's father told him as if, ऐसा मानो कि hypothetically, as if का सेंस hypothetic या परिकल्पना को लेकर होता है। Abul, I know you have to go away to grow. मैं जानता हूँ that for your development, for your educational development, individual as well as spiritual, mental, you have to go away. तुम्हें आगे अगर बढ़ना है तो तुम्हें दूर जाना होगा. Does the seagull not fly across the sun? क्या सीगल समुद्र के किनारे या समुद्र को पार नहीं करती है? सन, सूर्य. Alone and without a nest, क्या वो अकेले सूर्य के अक्रॉस नहीं उड़ती है? Without a nest, बिना घोंसले के. He quoted Khalil Gibran to my hesitant mother. Your children are not your children. तुम्हारे जो बच्चे हैं वो सिर्फ तुम्हारे बच्चे नहीं हैं. They are the sons and daughters of life's longing for itself. वो बेटे हैं, बेटियां हैं of life's longing, अपने खुद के जीवन की. उनका खुद का एक जीवन है. They are the sons and daughters of theirs. They come through you but not from you. तुम माध्यम हो. You are a medium. एक माँ को यहाँ पे मीडियम बताया गया है कि ये बच्चे तुम्हारे माध्यम से आए हैं, न कि तुमसे आए हैं. You may give them your love. तुम उनको दे सकती हो क्या? Your love, अपना प्यार. But not your thoughts, अपने विचार नहीं दे सकती. For they have their own thoughts. उनकी जो विचार हैं उनके खुद के होने चाहिए. सिंपल है. इट डजेंट मैटर कि हम माँ बाप को छोड़कर बाहर रहते हैं. किस लिए? फॉर आवर लाइवलीहुड, टू मैनेज एंड अर्न मनी, पैसे कमाने के लिए. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि जैसी माँ है वैसा ही बेटा होना चाहिए. जो माँ कहे वही बेटे को करना चाहिए. जैसी माँ की विचारधारा हो वैसे ही बेटे की विचारधारा हो. नो, ऐसा नहीं होता है. ओके, doesn't matter. We all have to grow with our own thoughts for achieving a great achievement and goal in our life. Maybe our mother would be illiterate. हो सकता है. There are so many children whose mothers are illiterate. They never went to get education. They are not educated. It doesn't mean कि बच्चा भी illiterate होगा. No. बच्चा पढ़ाई करता है, कर सकता है और बहुत बड़े अचीवमेंट को हासिल कर सकता है. ऐसा संभव है. एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम के जो पिताजी हैं वो काफ़ी जनरस इंसान है, जेन्युइन इंसान है. उन्होंने समझाया. माएँ हैं थोड़ा सा अफेक्शनेट हो जाती हैं, भावुक हो जाती हैं जब उनके बच्चे दूर जाते हैं. लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं वो नेचुरल है, वो प्राकृतिक है. उस चीज़ को ध्यान नहीं देना चाहिए. अन्यथा यू कांट ग्रो योरसेल्फ. आप वृद्धि नहीं कर पाएंगे, आपका विकास रुक जाएगा. इसलिए माँ बाप का प्यार लिमिट में होना चाहिए. और बच्चों को भी समझना चाहिए कि अगर माँ रोक रही है कि बेटा मुझे आज बड़ा मन कर रहा है कि तुम मेरे पास ही रहो, मत जाओ स्कूल, तो कहीं ना कहीं ये गलत है. माँ को तो समझ नहीं है. हो सकता है वो न पढ़ी लिखी हूँ. शी डजंट अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन. बट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. तुम्हें समझना होगा बिकॉज अपकमिंग जनरेशन वुड बी रिक्वायरिंग अ ग्रेट स्कोप ऑफ एजुकेशन. सो इट इज़ mandatory and compulsory to get it now. Okay, so the chapter has been finished. I hope you all have got. If you have any problem, share through WhatsApp. Okay, and everybody would be going through the comprehension and coming exercises of this chapter, and you'll try your best to solve it. Okay, if you have any problem with a single question, you may ask me. Thank you very much.